Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner for beginners. First, let's cover the basic controls. You'll use the throttle and brake, along with steering, to navigate diverse terrain. Remember to engage all-wheel drive and differential lock when facing mud or snow for maximum traction. The winch is your best friend for getting unstuck or pulling other vehicles, so practice attaching it to environmental anchors. Finally, always check your map for mission details and optimal routes. Next, let's talk about managing your fleet. Selecting the appropriate truck for a task is crucial. A heavy hauler won't perform well on narrow trails. Invest in upgrades like off-road tires, powerful engines, and raised suspensions to tackle tougher environments. Always keep an eye on your fuel gauge and repair any damage at service stations or with repair add-ons. As you complete contracts, you'll unlock many new vehicles and customization parts. Navigating the challenging terrain is at the core of SnowRunner. When encountering deep mud or thick snow, engage your all-wheel drive and differential lock. Use low gear for controlled descents and ascents, especially on steep hills. Always take a moment to plan your route, looking for less treacherous paths. Remember that heavy cargo significantly affects your truck's center of gravity and overall stability, so drive with extra care. Finally, let's discuss missions and progression. You'll primarily complete contracts and tasks, which reward you with money and experience points. Use these earnings to buy new, more capable trucks and essential upgrades. Exploring new areas and activating watchtowers will reveal more of the map and unlock new opportunities. Don't forget you can also team up with up to 3 friends in co-op mode to tackle the toughest challenges together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.